6 tips for staging your home to sell with Spotless Group's virtual services. Virtual staging. Save 90% compared to traditional staging. Furniture removal. Sell a property when the owner still lives in it. Architecture visualization. Sell at the flat land or under construction phase. Do you have similar photos in your listings? We can help sell your property for 10+% more in the next few weeks. Click the link in description or scan a QR code and sign up for a free consultation to create a wow listing in next 24 hours. Virtual renovation. Sell while under renovation. Increase the ROI by up to 50%. Commercial property virtual staging. Get from 3 to 15% higher offers and sell faster. Please like and subscribe for more content from Spotless Group. Virtual landscaping. Get emotionally involved buyers, show off full curb appeal potential. Thanks for watching. Click the link and enjoy the next video from Spotless Group.